Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to a double mail call in Bastarland. GB's Great Mail Call Adventures. And, hey, we got a vault boy, another vault boy, and a vault girl, and a vault boy, and a vault boy. But look! Hey! From Thailand. Woo! From my Thai family. But we also have a parcel from the United States of America, from Pennsylvania. Sorry, Kenny. I could be like one of them YouTube douchebags that needs to make a separate video for every fucking thing, but no. Could have a mail call for your package and a mail call for this package. Nope. We're doing it all. No heavy metal music though. My Thai family is here, and only because I went to the post office and both of these packages were waiting there. So there you go. Different day, could only be one. So, I'm high as fuck, I'm drunk as fuck. It's October, I don't know, it's Friday, 23, 24, 22, I don't, whatever's the Friday closest to the 20 whatever, that's what day it is. Time, it's 9:07. Oh is not a number, it's 9:07 p.m. We're gonna open a fucking can of Canadian Carling, the tall can, 4.9% alcohol. I'm pretty fucked up right now. It's a drunk, what's the name of it? Mail call. I wanted to call it an unboxing. It will be an unboxing, but it's a mail call. I got a t-shirt and underwear on. Woo! Cheers, big ears. It was a beautiful day on the bike today. Tornado warnings. Fuck, we had a big storm roll through. Oh, fuck, that's good. Alright, bitches. Kenny. Feels like a t-shirt. Cost $20.75 US dollars to ship it here. Where? Angus, Ontario. And where did it come from? It came from Ken in PA. That's all I know. All the other information is gone. So you can fuck off with your information hunting, cocksuckers. Okay. Look out. Do we even need a knife? No. Rip it. Rip it. It is a shirt. Woo! Thank God. It's not some kind of weird underwear. Hey, it's an unenveloping. What? No personal letter? Like, what the fuck? You just send me a fucking shirt? Fuck. Okay, wait a minute. Should I look at it first? No. Let's look at it together. It's black. Fuck. You must think I gained a lot of weight. That's a pretty big fucking shirt. Holy shit. I have to wear that on my outside of my winter coat. Oh! What does this say? There you go. Beer is good. That's all I know. Can't read the other stuff. Hey, PA, Somerset, PA. Laurel Highlands beverage. Beer is good. And we got a hang loose fucking thing. Hey, pretty good without glasses. I think that's fucking awesome. Thank you, brother. That's fucking amazing. I just didn't think you thought I was that fucking gigantic. Holy fuck. You put like 1.5 of me in there. Woohoo! Awesome. Thank you, buddy. That's fucking amazing. Fuck yeah! Woo! Size gigantic. Alright. After that much excitement, here we go. From a blacked out place to me, Canada. E-packet. This is for, and there's Thai writing there. Hey, it was like 520 baht to send that here. So there you go. Cheers, big ears. Woo! RTFO, mofos. You have to be very careful with this one. Okay. Alright, okay. Woo! There we go. Let's see how everything is sealed here. Right on. I don't know what that says, so we'll just cover that up. Give me a second. 'Cause I don't know what that says. I ain't fucking showing you guys. There, good. Magic marker. Fucking works great. I don't know what that says. Fucking, it's not in English, so maybe it's someone's information. I don't give a fuck. Don't fucking, you don't need to know it. I don't need to know it. Ow. Don't poke yourself with the knife. Hey, look out. I see green. I see green. Woo! I see green. Cheers, big ears. And hey, my Thai family, when I say big ears, nobody has big ears. It's an expression for me over here. No one has big ears. Look out. Hey, how about that? It's a bag. It's an unboxing. What was in the box? It was a bag. It was a cardboard box and didn't measure it, and I don't care. Hey, wait. Wait a minute. What does it smell like? It smells like Thailand. Fuck yeah. Woo! Woo! How about that? Oh yeah. Hey, not one. Two. How about that? Bitchy! Oh, I love my Thai family. And there's a link to the channel from my Thai family. The channel is S3xy Bar, Soy Bukaw. S3xy Bar. I got a beautiful green shirt. And it's gonna fit me too. But look, this is the front. Okay, S3xy Bar. But what's on the back? How about that? Woo! RTFO, mofos! Yes! GB! GB. Parts unknown. Woo! Fuck yeah! Thank you so much to my S3xy Bar family, my Thai family, everybody. God bless you. Buddha bless you. OMB. And, okay? OMB. And don't forget, oh my chit. Love you all. All of you. Cheers. Thank you so much. Kapung kap. Woo! Fuck yeah.